privilege to be compared to Miss Universe Philippines 2019, Miss Gassini. I met her in person, she is so beautiful. And yes, she also agrees that we do look like twins. But I think the netizens compare me to a lot of beauty queens, no, a lot of Miss Universe queens.
Recently, naging viral ka during your visit in Sultan Kudarat. Diba nabigay ka ng pera? Kaya tell us more about it. Sino pa yun? Nakapagpud daw ng
Alright guys, good evening and welcome.
I think that was the wrong impression. Hindi naman ako namudmud ng pera. The governor was very kind to give us pabaon money before going back to Manila, and I was so touched of the people of Sultan Kudarat, of how they treated us and how they worked so hard in taking care of us. So, I wanted to share the blessings to the people kasi para sa kanila rin naman yun. You know, they all deserve it, not just the candidates, but they all deserve it. So, I'm very happy to be able to provide assistance to them.
Thank you, Bear.